'93 VH wagon. It's got a 6-litre LS in it. It's got standard crank. It's got rod and piston in it. GD 4788 turbo. We did the road trip when the car first got together. We got it running on the Wednesday, and first time we drove the car was on the Friday before the road trip. But it broke in Warwick. But we fixed it and still got to go to the lakeside on Sunday.
Here with Ben in the VH wagon. He had a pretty good day yesterday, finished 5th overall. Mate, how's it gone to work?
Not too bad. We've struggled a bit with the track, but all in all we've got a 560, 5666 now, so happy with that.
That kind of puts you in the hunt, doesn't it?
Hopefully stay in the top 10, I'll be happy.
Have you raced at Warwick before?
Yeah, once when we did the road trip, but we broke, so I haven't actually done a full pass here before.
And how'd you find it?
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. A bit different, a bit wild, a bit loose. But yeah, apart from that, good.
It's a cruisy joint.
Yeah, nice, casual.
And how was your road course last night?
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. We didn't have too many dramas. All the cars made it in one piece, so we were pretty happy.
Who else is travelling with you?
We got Mitch and Kim in the Commodore, Rob and Jack in the VH sedan, and Damo and Azzy in the Falcon.
So you guys going to camp here tonight or get going?
No, we're going to get going.
Yeah, cool. Get home in the light would be a pretty good deal.
It'd be nice, have a couple of beers, wait for tomorrow.